In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all uploads in Canva. If you've been using Canva for a while, your uploads panel can get really cluttered with old images, videos, and other files you no longer need. Cleaning this up not only makes your workspace easier to navigate, but it can also help you stay organized and find what you actually want to use much faster. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to remove multiple uploads at once from inside the Canva editor. First, open the Canva design you're working on so that you're inside the main editor view. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. In that toolbar, click on the option labeled Uploads. This opens the Uploads panel where Canva stores all the files you've brought into your account. At the top of this Uploads panel, you'll see different tabs such as Images, Videos, Audio, Designs, and Folders. Canva separates your uploads into these categories. And this is important because you'll need to manage deletions one tab at a time. There isn't a single button that clears everything across all tabs in one go, so you'll choose the specific tab you want to clean up first. Click on the tab you want to work with. For example, Images, if you want to delete all your uploaded pictures. Once you're in that tab, move your mouse over the uploads area. As you hover near the top right corner of one of the uploads, you'll notice a small selection box or checkbox appear. Click that box. When you do, Canva will switch into a selection mode and similar boxes will appear on all the uploads inside that tab. Now, this part is a little bit manual. Canva doesn't currently offer a true select all button for uploads, so you'll need to click each box to select every file you want to delete. Take your time here and double check that you're only selecting items you're comfortable removing. Remember, you're doing this per tab, so if you want to clear out videos or audio later, you'll repeat the same process in those tabs. Once you've finished selecting all the uploads you'd like to remove, look towards the bottom right corner of the Uploads panel. You'll see a trash can icon. Click that trash icon. Canva will then show a confirmation pop-up asking if you really want to move the selected items to trash. This is your last chance to change your mind, so give it a quick review. If everything looks good, click Move to Trash on the pop-up. Canva will remove all the files you selected from that tab and place them in the trash area of your account. That's it. You've successfully deleted your uploads for that category. If you want to clean up other types of files, just switch to the next tab and repeat the same steps.